Welcome to SD-Link, connecting your cockpit with SkyDemon. With just a tap, you can send the desired frequency from SkyDemon directly to your radio or autopilot. Fast, precise, and without manual input. Our SD-Link SkyDemon Bluetooth adapters connect directly to your radio and enable the wireless transmission of frequencies from the SkyDemon app. Unlike generic or DIY adapters, our tailor-made solutions offer the following advantages. Compact design. Thanks to specially developed circuit boards, our adapters achieve a minimal form factor. Easy installation, plug and play. Our adapters are precisely tailored to specific radios and require no additional adjustments. Reliable power supply. Integrated overheat protection, short circuit protection, and a backup fuse ensure maximum safety and stability. Comprehensive testing. Every adapter undergoes a 24-hour burn-in test to guarantee the highest reliability. Our customers appreciate the reliability and user-friendliness of our adapters. Learn more at sdlink.de and take your flying experience to the next level. SD-Link, connecting your cockpit with SkyDemon.